You can easily solve any number's cube in a snap. So let's start today's video. Suppose you have been given a number 21 and you have been asked to solve its cube. So for this you have to follow only 3 steps. Before making this question, let me tell you that you have to remember the cube from 1 to 10. So that all the coming questions can be solved easily by you. So we were given a number 21 and we were asked to solve its cube. So to solve it, we have to follow only 3 steps. The cube of 2 is 8, so we will write it here. Now we have to find the cube of 1. So the cube of 1 is 1, so we will write it here. Now we will square the number 2 and multiply it by 1. So after solving it, we will get 4. Now we will find the square of 1 and multiply it by 2. So after solving it, we will get 2. We will write this 2 here. Our first step is complete. So after doubling 4, we get 8. So we have to write it below 4. And after doubling 2, we get 4. So we write it below 4. Now we have to add all the numbers. We have to do the addition process from the right side. So 1 will be 1. And after summing 2 and 4, we will get 6. And 8 will be 8. Now our second step is complete. And the third step is the simplest step. In that, we have to write the answer. We have to do this process from the right side. First of all, we have to write 1. Then we have to write 6. Then we have to write 2. Then we have to write 1. And we have to write this 9 in our answer. And our answer has come. Let's take one more question. Suppose we have a number 56. And we have to find its cube. To find its cube, we have to first find the cube of 5. The cube of 5 is 1, 2, 5. After that, we have to find the cube of 6. The cube of 6 is 2, 1, 6. We will write it here. Then we will find the square of 5. We will multiply it by 6. After solving this, we will get 1, 5, 0. We will write it next to 125. Now we will find the square of 6. And we will multiply it by 5. After solving this, we will get 1, 8, 0. We will write it next to 150. And our first step is complete. In the second step, we have to double the middle 2 numbers and write below them. We will write it below 150. Now after doubling 180, we will get 360. We will write it below it. Now we have to sum it. We have to do the sum process from the right side. So 216 will be below 216. After that, after summing 180 and 360, we will get 540. Now after summing 150 and 300, we will get 450. Our second step is complete. Now we have to write the answer in the third step. On the right side, we have 6. So in our answer, we will write 6. We will carry the remaining number 21 with the previous number. Now after summing both, we will get 561. On the right side, we have 1. So we will write it in our answer. And we will carry the remaining number in 450. Now after summing 450 and 56, we will get 506. On the right side, we have 6. So we will write it in our answer. And we will carry the remaining number in the next number. Now after summing 1, 2, 5, and 50, we will get 175. So we will write it in our answer. And this was our answer. Let's see another example. For example, we are given a number 34. and we have to find its cube. So first of all, we will find the cube of 3. So the cube of 3 is 27. We will write it here. Then we will find the cube of 4. We know that the cube of 4 is 64. So we will write it here. After solving this, we will get 36. We will write it below 27. Now we will find the square of 4. And multiply 3 in it. After solving this, we will get 48. We will write it next to 36. Now in the second step, we have to write the middle two numbers, 36 and 48, below it. After doubling 36, we will get 72. We will write it below 36. Now 48. Addition from the right side. After summing 36 and 72, we will get 108. And below 27, we will get 27. Now this was our second step. In the third step, we have to write the answer. We will start writing the answer from the right side. On the far right, we have 4. We will write it in our answer. And we will carry the remaining 6 in the next number. After adding 144 and 6, we will get 150. On the far right, we have 0. We will write 0 in our answer. And we will carry 15 in the next number. After adding 108 and 15, we will get 123. On the far right, we have 3. We will write it in our answer. And we will carry 12 in the next number. After adding 27 and 12, we will get 38. We will write it in our answer. And this was our answer. So today's video ends here. Thank you all for watching this video.